All right, welcome back. Another part of yoga. We got the sun salutation, but we'll be sitting down, okay? So another warm up is a good stretch. Whatever you want it for. Let's get started. So we're gonna start this time kneeling, okay? Kneeling back. Okay. This might be hard for some people, so if you wanna kind of start here, that's okay. All right, but check in and see. So all of this will be seated. So we're starting here, hands heart to center, just kind of get recentered. If you're just starting, if you're adding on, then we're just gonna get right into it. So from here, we're gonna come up to the knees, bring the arms up. So if you're good here, we're just reaching up. If you wanna do a little bit of a back bend, you're more than welcome. We're here for 2 breaths. So a breath is inhale, exhale, that's 1. We're here for 2, it's inhale, exhale. On the exhale, we'll go into child's pose, one of my favorite poses. Sitting back, you want to try to get your forehead onto the ground if you can. And you also can have a wide stance here. I like to do the wide child's pose, whatever feels good to you. Really reach and relax. We're here for 3 breaths. All right, from here, we're gonna go to downward dog. So you go on all 4s, flip the toes, downward dog. So downward dog, you're pushing through your palms. My heels are trying to go to the ground and my hips are trying to go up into like an A position. Head is down. Fill it out. Again, if this is a little too much, you just drop down here, okay? And you do a little bit here. When it gets too much, you drop down. And that's how you build your endurance, your upper body endurance. On the next exhale, go ahead and drop to your knees. We're gonna do cat and cow, my other favorite. I love all these positions, okay? Your inhale, so you're arching your back. And then you exhale for cow. We're doing it 5 rounds. Inhale. Be careful if you have lower back issues. Round. Make sure your arms are right underneath you. Okay, and your legs are right underneath. Inhale. And exhale. That was 3. We have 2 more. Inhale. Doing great. Exhale. Inhale. Be mindful of where we're at. And exhale. Here we get to go back to child's pose, stretch it back. See if you can get a little deeper this time, a little more relaxed. Again, you can have them open or closed. I like to do the open one for myself. Do what feels good for you. Get the head on the mat. From here, I'm gonna come up back to how we started. Bring those legs in. Oh, again, you can reach here. If you want to reach back a little bit, get a little back stretch. More than welcome. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. And we sit back. Nice work. That was a seated sun salutation. Great job. You're a yogi now. You're a certified yoga person. You're a yogi.